Make my shit straight, bitch ass nigga. Come to find out how to speak Spanish. Come here, Snack. Vente. Sentate. Dame la mano. Dame la mano.
You still alive? Keep them comfortable, doctor.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again.
This is the last throw of the night, okay? Okay, I'll throw the... Exodus, do you want some fish? Lay down. Up. Speak. Can I get a ow? Good boy. Stay. Give that paw. Get that other one up there. Double paw. My dude. All right. Up. All right. You stay right there. You know the deal. This is your patience training. And because of TikTok, you are going to stay right here. And you can have it when I say those magic words. 3, 2, 2.5, 2 5/8. 2 3 6. I am so proud of you. You are such a pristine gentleman. And you get all of these gifts all the time because of the people at TikTok, and they like you for it. And they get to watch how cool and awesome and very patient you are being trained. You can have it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, go boy. Oh, on the floor again. Come on, this is why I have to clean all the time.
Pretending my dog bit me and seeing his reaction.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Extreme.
Parkour! Parkour!
Hello, motherfucker. Hi. Hi. Good morning.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.